Today, Southern Gardening is at the Flower Bed Nursery in Lumberton, Mississippi, admiring their sweet olive trees. The sweet olive, also known as fragrant tea olive, is a beloved evergreen shrub or small tree, renowned for its intensely sweet, jasmine-like fragrance and attractive glossy foliage. Sweet olive blooms intermittently throughout the year in warm regions, filling the air with a delightful aroma. Although small and inconspicuous, its blossoms pack a powerful punch when it comes to fragrance, filling the air with a sweet, fruity scent that can be detected from a distance. The blooms are tubular and typically measure less than ½ an inch across. They grow in small clusters nestled in the leaf axis, blending subtly with the dark green foliage. The glossy, leathery, and dark green foliage provides a lush and refined backdrop for the small but highly fragrant flowers. The evergreen leaves are arranged oppositely on the stems and vary slightly in size, typically ranging from 2 to 4 inches long and 1 to 2 inches wide. Native to Asia, it thrives in USDA zones 8 through 11. Mature plants can reach heights of 10 to 20 feet and widths of 6 to 10 feet, though they can be pruned to maintain a smaller size. With its intoxicating scent and easy care, the sweet olive is an ideal addition to Southern Gardens. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.